Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Bharathan. I share interesting stories and concepts from the books and articles I read that help us live more happier and productive. I strongly believe that it is important to read the books and implement the ideas and concepts mentioned in it. Today I am going to share a real life incident that happened in the last week. The second COVID wave has hit us badly. It touched most of our family members and friend circle. My father was tested COVID positive. Considering his age and level of lung infection, my family doctor advised the hospital treatment to avoid the last minute complication. We have admitted my father in a private hospital in Madurai. He has already done 2 rounds of vaccination. Every day I had a call with the hospital doctor, and my father condition was stable throughout the treatment period, and his oxygen saturation levels were above 95%. So my father never required any oxygen and ventilation. After 5 days of medication, my father was fully recovered. The hospital informed us that they need one more day for observation, and after that they were reluctant to discharge him, stating that they need time to prepare the bill and get approval from the medical insurance company. We were really concerned, and I made several visits and requests, and finally my father was discharged on the 8th day of admission. I paid 1.5 lakh at the time of admission. My Mediclaim insurance had a credit limit of 4 lakhs. After discharge, I came to know that the total bill amount was 5.5 lakhs. The idea of the hospital was to utilize the maximum credit limit of Mediclaim insurance, and 1.5 lakhs I paid at the time of admission. I came to know that the Mediclaim insurance company has sanctioned only 2 lakhs, stating that the bill was overcharged by the hospital. Now I am in a position I need to pay an additional 2 lakhs to the hospital. I started getting regular follow-up calls from the hospital for the additional 2 lakhs payment. I requested them to share the final bill submitted to the insurance company. When I studied the bill, I got several surprises. They included 1.6 lakh for oxygen and ventilation support, whereas my father never required any oxygen and ventilation support. PPE kit charges 28,000 for the mask and the jackets, and biomedical waste disposal charge of 12,000 rupees, and lab and medical expenses of close to 1.5 lakh, whereas they provided just 2 blood test reports at the time of discharge. I was clearly overcharged on every head of the bills. I was looking for a way out. I came across a tweet from Dr. Palanivel Thiagarajan, Finance Minister of Tamil Nadu government. One of the patients in Madurai approached him about the excess charge collected by a private hospital, and after the intervention of Madurai collector, the private hospital refunded the excess charge. Also, I came across a news article in the Hindu newspaper that the Tamil Nadu government had given the maximum charges a private hospital can collect for COVID treatment. I discussed both these things with my family members and finally decided to fight back against the hospital. I sent a detailed email along with all the bills to all the top government officials in Tamil Nadu government. I expected an immediate reply, but there was no reply for almost a week. My father and my uncle, both of them were ex government employees, advised me to send a hard copy through registered post. So, after sending a hard copy letter, I got a call from the hospital casually inquiring about my father's health and the bill issues. I clearly told them that they have included oxygen ventilation support, whereas my father never required any oxygen ventilation support during the treatment period. On June 20th, I got a call from Madurai Collector Office to come and present my complaint as well as the medical records on June 22nd. The hospital started following it up with me regularly and even started negotiating with me. I clearly told them that they need to amend that 5.5 lakh bill to 2 lakhs and refund that 1.5 lakh which I paid at the time of admission. On the day of inquiry, that is on 20th June, the hospital credited the 1.5 lakh to my bank account. After 3 weeks of struggle, I finally made the hospital to regret and refund the 1.5 lakh collected from me. I almost saved 3.5 lakh in this whole process. I would like to sincerely thank Dr. Palanivel Thiagarajan and Dr. Anish Shegaran, the Madurai collector, for setting up such a good mechanism. If you strongly believe and work towards it, I am sure you can cross any type of hurdles. I not just read the articles and information, but I used it when the situation demanded it and got the justice in this case. Keep reading the book and implement the concepts and ideas mentioned in it. A book is a resource of hidden treasures. You can unearth the hidden treasure only you implement the concepts and knowledges in your day-to-day life. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll meet you next week with one more interesting story. Till then, it's goodbye.